Hello, guys. Dvorak, it's True 7. And this is part 4 of the Flat Earth visual and demonstration. But on these, like last 3 or 4 minutes, I'm just going to give more info pertaining to the overall conscious thought of the Flat Earth. And just answer a couple questions that people always ask when it pertains to Flat Earth. I just went in on gravity in part 3, and I'm just going to go in a little bit more tidbits. I brought up the rainbow with the arc. I brought up how gravity doesn't exist. And now I'm going to bring up, because people always say, hey, what about meteorites and all these things falling from the sky? And people have to realize that those are pieces of the dome falling from the sky. If they're crystallized, the firmament is actually cracked. And when you do your research and on your own, you'll find this out. And that there have been many attempts to pretty much crack this dome and on our own terms. So when we try to do it on our own terms, fragments from the firmament are dropping, and that's what we see as or perceive as meteorites and comets and whatnot. But the thing is, you never have proof of where these things landed because, like I said, they eventually evaporate. Other points to hit on with the flat earth thought is that I want to say it's Copernicus, one of his theories. It goes along with if it looks like a duck, acts like a duck, sounds like a duck, then it's a duck. If you're in your waking reality, perceive and see that the land is flat, if you are not experiencing any twisting or turning, or you're walking and you're not perceiving a curve or anything, that means that you would say, oh, I see it's flat, it looks like it's flat, I experience life like it's flat, then it must be flat. Other ideas that support the flat earth thought, as I said, I already cracked on gravity. Excuse me. And I guess other factors that people want to throw in, it has to be a sphere. The horizon is only due to perception. If something goes off in the distance of the water and you see it disappear, sometimes it could seem to be floating, and it seems like it goes downward on a hill. If you were to walk 100 feet more towards it, you will begin to have it back in your field of vision view. So that's the horizon is a perception mishap. And I guess even more to even demonstrate with, okay, the planets and the moon and how do you describe this, that's what you have to research on your own that I'm asking, and the information's out there. My video is specifically for the image and visualization of it. But I guess I can even still yet do a small demonstration. Just give me a second. Turn off this light. So I'm sorry that the light from my camera is being used in this demonstration, but let me use this light, the artificial light in which our sun is. Our sun is no other than a reflector, a light tube passing on to another realm that is also supported by the sun, or that light, which I said is a transporter. Our moon is no other than a light, hollow, vibrating beam. Other interdimensional beams can change their frequency in order to pretty much be on that landmass that we call the moon. But for the most part, our realm is holographic, and that's also a projection. Many things are projections. So as I'm going to turn off the light to my camera. Ooh, dropped it. I'm going to turn off the light to my camera. Sorry about that. How do I turn off the light to my camera? There it is. All right. Okay, I can't turn the light off to my camera right now. So I have an artificial light, and even if I rotate my artificial light around, you still will have a dark side within my planetary field, there's still a darker side. And I could have the projection of another orb, which would be the moon, to even describe that more. But there are many other videos that have a better demonstration that I was trying to do with the planetary demonstration, but mine was strictly the visual demonstration. I hope that my video did provide a little bit more insight into this thought. Again, I'm going to say thank you for coming to view. Leave comments if you like. I will answer them, but I will answer them to the T, and I wish that you research your question before you ask me. But this was an episode True 7. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.